Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm gonna share some cool tips and tricks for Moto G85 that you might know about it. So let's get started. First, let's talk about the night display to protect your eyes. If you use your phone a lot at night, it might hurt your eyes due to the blue light. So the Moto G85 has a night display features that reduces blue light by making the screen warmer and easier to your eyes. So first of all, by going to setting, you can turn on that night display. You just move on setting. After that, here you just click on this display. When you move on display, you just click on this night light. Just turn on this night light. Okay, so after turning on this night light, the display will change from the blue light to warmer. So it will automatically change at a certain time like sunset and turn off in the morning, perfect for late night scrolling. You can change it by just this. You can set even the automatically also, so that it will change automatically at a certain time. So this is about the night light, and you can even set the schedule. You can increase and decrease the intensity if you want to increase or decrease the intensity. Okay, tips 2: custom gestures with Moto actions. It means this Moto G85 lets you create custom gestures to make your phone even easier to use. For example, like you can use the three finger screenshot gestures to take screenshot. Just swipe down with three finger and your phone will capture the screen instantly. So to set this screen, you just need to move on Moto G85 setting. After that, from here you have to scroll on the down. You can also even search on your search bar. Three. Here it shows, then tap on it, and here it says three finger screenshot. Then here it's, you can turn on this point, then try it now. And here keep your fingers like this, then scroll. You have, look at here, AI three fingers should touch the screen at the same time. Hit touch, then click on done. Then you can now try it out. Here it's already taken. By just tapping the screen, the screenshot will take it automatically. You just need to touch on the screen at the same time with three fingers, and the photos will capture by itself like this. Tips 3: if your display size or text scaling is too small or too large, you can adjust it to suit your needs. The Moto G85 lets you change the display size and text scaling so everything looks just right. And to set this one, you have to move on to setting. Then after that, you just need to scroll down, or you can even search on the search setting. You just need to search here text. Here it's enter here text size, so tap on the screen. Then after that, from here you can set your text screen. You can text set to a very small, medium, large, or very large. You can select from here just by tapping on the screen. So this is how you can change how big or small everything appears on the screen. So this is very useful, super for better read ability. Like I just said, the large answer, the text will appear in the large size. Okay, this is the medium and this is the very large. As you can see on the captions will look like this. You can check it out on the screen. Tips 4: battery saver setting. So the Moto G85 offer two battery saving modes to help you get through the day. The standard battery saver stops background apps from using power when your battery is low. For even more power, you can use extreme battery saver. It shuts down most apps and limits that's what's running to give you extra hours when you really need it. So to change this to set this battery saver, you just need to move on setting. After you move on setting, you just need to scroll on the down, and from here you can find the battery options. If you don't find these battery options, then you can search on the search bar. Example, like I just tap on the battery. After that, here the battery saver, and tap on the battery saver. After that, you can just turn on the battery saver. You can even turn on this option. As you can see here, this is the battery standard saving and this is the maximum battery saving. You can change these options, okay? And to shift this, it says will be limited and non-essential apps and your notification will be paused. You can set this one. This is the maximum battery saver. Digital well-being and parental controls. So if you want to control your screen time, the Moto G85 has a digital well-being section that helps you track your screen usage or limit apps and set even the reminders for breaks. So to set this, you just need to move on setting. After that, you can scroll down or you can search here the or you can search shortcutly just parental. Here's the digital well-being and parental controls, so tap on it. After that, here you can set the things. Example, like you can even check this today 2 hours or 22 minutes. This is the settings. And here's the view activity detail, apps limits. You can set the apps limits, which apps you want to set the hour. You can select this 30 minutes, 1 hour or 2 hour. You can set the timing, and here I have set it already. And if you want to delete the limit, then you can delete it. And here's the bedtime mode. You can select the bedtime mode, then Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, or you can select all the time. Start 11 p.m. end to 7 a.m. You just click on done. I set on the not now. And you can even set this focus mode, screen time reminder, manage notification, do not disturb, heads up, parental controls. You can set this all. You can set a timer for apps you can use too much, or even make your phone less distracting at night with wind down mode, which turns the screen to grayscale. So this is all about the digital well-being and parental controls. Sound customization. So Moto G85 lets you customize the sound of your mobile phone in different ways. Example, like if you want clear or high quality audio, you can tweak the sounds with the Dolby audio feature. So to set the Dolby audio features, you can just scroll on the down the notification banner. After that, from here you'll find here Dolby Atmos. Scroll down, here's the Dolby Atmos. Click on it. Unable to turn off the Dolby Atmos. It says it's okay. Just press on it. After that, here click on the next. Custom profile. You can create custom profiles for Bluetooth and USB audio devices. Each time you can connect a device, Dolby Atmos will remind you the last. Then click on next. Then smart adjustment. Click on next. Landscape studio. Click on tick. Then here is about the Dolby Atmos. You can move on settings. After that, from here you can select the spatial audio, stereo audio, music, film, game, podcast, custom. You can set any of them from here. So I select here smart audio. This was smart audio will identify the content and performs automatically adjustment to deliver the best sound. So I select this smart audio. You can also select, or you can select any of them which will perfect for you. So this is all about the Dolby Atmos. This will customize the sound. If you are listening music, watching videos, or gaming, it makes a huge difference. If you are using headphones or speaker, just try it out. Last tips is the multiple user or separation of personal data. User profile has its own set of apps, photos, settings, or personal data. It will ensure that the sensitive information in your account, such as messages, emails, and app data, stays in private and isn't accessible to the other user. Each user can have their own layout, wallpaper, and home screen setup, making the device more customized to each other's person. So to set up it, you just need to move on setting. After that, you just scroll down, or you can search directly the multiple user. You can also scroll down and move on system. Then from here you are going to find this multiple user. So after that, you have to create this add user. You can also evenly add guest. I just move on the add user, then here click on the add new user, and you can type here the name as I tap here the Misa. After that I just click on done, and here it's creating new user. Then here you can switch to Misa setup now. So I just switch it now. After that here the other user won't found, and this will be totally different in your screens. You can use it easily. Here it's getting your phone ready. This may take a few minutes. You have to wait for it because it's new user, that's why. And here you can sign in the Gmail, or you can even just skip it and skip your Gmail account. Then here you can accept. Next you can set to apps. Suppose I select and default search engine, Google. Then click on the next. You can set even the pin. I just skip it, then skip the pin, and getting your phone ready. And now it's done. So now my phone is almost new, and this will keep your personal data, and this is totally separate mobile phone right now. And you can also switch to under your original account. From here on the down you can see the screen. Then you can switch to original account, and this is the separation of the account. You can switch to original like this, switching to owner. So friends, that's it for today. I hope these tips help you get most out of your Moto G85. Let me know in the comments which one you will try first, or if you have any other cool tips. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you don't miss more videos like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.